Day 7, the connector on the trail. Gonna be finding that elusive float zone and squashing our loop out demons by jumping off the back of the bike and just getting them, finding out where there's some safety there. So I'm just gonna get right down to it. Let's do it. Success. Boom! I think I'm getting it. All right, how's that, Ryan? Feel pretty good about those. Never been able to do as many of those, so thanks for your help on that. All right, so let's get down to this. Oh, that was a good one. Wow! Pour down. Good wheelie. Love it. Practice a few demon squashers. Hey, Jake. Ooh, that was...
Whoa, that...
Okay, here comes my team. Come here, bud. All right, day 7, float zone in the books, squashing some demons out there. One quick tip on squashing your demons in business is to warm up with something that's comfortable first. Like calling your existing business friends before you start doing any cold calling, and just warm up again. Thanks for joining with me. Hopefully it's fun. Drop me a comment or a like. Really appreciate it. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now. Bye.